Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use CJ Affiliate. So let's just begin. So first of all, you have to write down the CJ Affiliate on the Google. And now as you can see that we have the cj.com commission junction. So we have to go there. And as you can see that we are on the landing page of the CJ Affiliate. So on the CJ Affiliate, you can see that we have the platform, we have the advertiser, and we have the publisher, we have the about us, and what is affiliate, and in the last we have the blog of the CJ Affiliate. So CJ Affiliate is actually the world's largest and most established affiliate marketing ecosystem designed to help you achieve the intelligent, scalable, and sustainable growth. Okay, so let's click on the get started. As you can see that we have the two options. The first one is actually for the advertisers and the second one is for the publishers. So if you want to expand your brand reach, you will simply go for the advertisers to drive more sales, reward world-class publishers for successfully promoting your product or the services. And in the publisher, you can actually partner with the world's best brand. So if you want to earn commissions by partnering with the world's most widely recognized brands, we will simply go with the publishers. So as we know, we want to earn the commissions here by doing the affiliate marketing. So let's click on the sign up here. So if you want to become the CJ publisher, what you need to do, you have to sign up here. So in the sign up, we have the language, we have the country, email, password, and the confirm password. And in the last, we have to verify our email to go further. So I have already created an account as a CJ publisher. So I'll simply go back and log in into my account. But if you are new here, you can simply sign up here. So I have already created an account as a CJ publisher. So I will simply log in with my account here. So click on the login. Okay, so after creating the account, you will be navigated on this page. So we have to finish this onboarding checklist if you want to do the affiliating marketing here or you want to apply for the program. So the first thing was to validate the email that I have done, and the second thing is to enter the user information. And after that, we have the network profile, we have the commercial property, and we have to add the company details and submit the text form. And in the last, you have to provide your payment information. And after providing all the details here, then you will be able to activate your account. But right now I won't activate this account because I have created this account just for the tutorial purpose. So you actually have to submit the text form and payment information if you really want to do the affiliate marketing here. Okay. So now what we need to do, as you can see here, we have the account, we have the advertisers, we have the links, and we have the widgets, reports, mail, placements, and insight. So in the accounts, you have the administrative settings, you have the network profile, you have the users, you have the website, and you have the subscriptions. And after that, we have the advertisers. So let's click on advertisers. So in the advertisers, as you can see here, we have the 3256 results. So it simply means we have this number of advertisers currently. Okay. So as you can see here, these are the name of the companies. So we have the inter-server web hosting and VPS. We have this one password manager. So you can see the different kind of advertisers here. So if you want to filter the advertiser, you can simply do it from here. So you have the advertisers here. You can simply type in the search term and you have the keywords here, and you can filter by the category as well. You can see that we have a bunch of different categories here. And after that, we have the servable areas. So what is the servable areas? Servable areas are actually the countries to which the advertisers provide the service and ships good. Okay, so we also have the language. So in the language, we have the English, Spanish, French, German, and Swedish, and you can explore more from here. And we also have the advertisers country. So here the location of the advertisers office. So click here. So if you want to filter by advertisers country, you can simply do it from here. So we also have the geographic source. So if you want to filter by geographic source, you can simply do it from here. And in the last, we have the currency. So these are the network earnings of the advertiser, and we have the 3-month EPS of that advertiser and the 7-day EPS as well. And we also have the sale, which is 65% of this particular advertiser. So EPC simply means the earning per click. So if you want to apply for the program, you can simply do it from here. So what you need to do, all you need to do is to click on the apply to the program, and from here you can actually apply for that particular program. But unfortunately, I can't apply for any program right now since I haven't activated my account because of the text information and the payment information. Okay, so you can simply do it from here. And we also have the links. So in the links, we have the search and we have the tools. So let's go for the search here. So from here, you can actually find the links and the products to promote on your website. But right now I'm having this issue on this page. Okay, so let's just explore the links here. So in the links, you can simply filter the link from here. So you have the link tab, you have the promotion tab, you have the schedule, you have the language, you have the targeted country and the servable area, advertisers country, category, events and banner size. Okay, so same goes for the product as well. So in the product, as you can see that you can filter the products by currency, servable area, advertisers country and the price. So now let's click on the links here again. So we simply go inside the link tools from here. And in the link tools, we have the deep link generator. We have the page based link tools. Okay. So if you want to generate the deep link generator, you can simply do it from here. You don't even need to log in inside your CJ account manager. All you need to do is to install the bookmarklet on your toolbar. And from here, you can see that we have this page based link tool. Okay. So you can explore this by yourself. So we also have the widgets. So in the widgets, we have my widgets, we have my collections. And if you want to create the widget, you can simply do it from here. So let's click on the create widget here. Okay, so from here, you can actually create and manage the widgets to promote the multiple products. So you can create the slideshow, you can create the college, you can create the grid from here. And we also have the reports. So in the reports, we have the performance, we have the transition, we have the balance details, and we have the promo codes. So let's click on the performance here. So you can actually review the performance here by the key metrics, which are actually the publisher commissions. We have the sale amount, we have the sales, we have the leads, clicks, impressions, CR and EPC. Okay, so let's click on the reports here and let's click on the transaction now. And in the transaction, you can actually review the commission and the transaction details from here. Right now, we don't have anything here. So you can see that we have the report, we have the data type and the data range and advertiser CD, and you can also see the other options here. So now let's click on the balance detail. So in the balance details, we have the pending commissions and we have the commissions available for the payment. Let's click on the promo codes. So if you have created any promo code, and you will see the promo code here, and you will also see the usage of that promo code. So now let's click on the mail, and in the mail we have the messages and we have the mail settings. So click on the messages here. So in the messages, you will be able to see inbox notifications, archive items and the sent items. We have the trash, and you can also compose the message from here as well. So now let's just go inside the placements. So in the placements, we have the opportunities and we have the insertion orders. So click on the opportunities right now. So in the opportunities, I haven't created any placement opportunities for the advertisers. So from here, I can simply create the placement opportunities, which simply means that I have a website or something like that where I can offer the advertiser to place their ad on my website or any other content placements. So I can offer the advertisers the opportunity to display their banners and the links on the website for the flat fee or a commission. And I can also leverage the features within the placement tabs to promote the opportunities within the CJ network. So I can simply create the placement opportunity from here. So we also have the insertion orders. So click here. So in the insertion orders, we actually hold the details of our placement. Insertion orders allow you to send the insertion order to your advertiser after they have expressed the interest in purchasing one of the more placement opportunities. And you can also keep the track of your insertion orders with status updates such as the signature status, creative status and the payment status. So you can create the insertion orders from here. Okay, so in the last we have the inside, so you can explore the inside by yourself. So let's click on the CJ here. So this is actually the dashboard of our CJ affiliate. So we have the performance summary, we have the network stats, we have the advertisers, we have the task and we have the messages. Alright, so this is how we can use the CJ affiliate for the affiliate marketing. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.